Didn't see you there. Today, or for these next 2 minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to use zipper ends. You're probably like, what the F is a zipper end? Why do I need to know this? Well, this is a zipper end, and this is a zipper, and it's gonna end your zipper. Your mind is blown, I know. So you would use these to kind of give your zipper a fancier finish than just this zipper stop, especially if your zipper is trailing off from a project you're working on, handbag, makeup bag, little crossbody bag, you know, whatever. So what you'll do is you can actually leave the end of your zipper there, but generally if your zipper is way too long, it's not possible. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off a few inches of my zipper. And this will be installed after you've finished your project. I'm gonna grab my lighter, and I'm just gonna take this along the edge just to keep it from fraying. It doesn't take much, just a little bit. So I'm gonna take my zipper end now and unscrew it all the way. When you're working with this hardware, I definitely recommend keeping a little magnet nearby so that if your screw flies away, that'll catch it. So you'll have your zipper teeth facing up, and you'll fold the edges of your zipper tape under. And I just kind of do what you would call a blind hem, or I fold it in towards the middle, I line it up with the teeth, and then I fold it in half again on top of itself. So you want your zipper tape to be as wide as the teeth of the zipper. Hopefully you guys can see that, how it's folded on top of itself. Kind of reminds me of a scallion. Anyway, if you want to, you can add a little bit of glue along the end. You can use your lighter just to kind of melt it all in place. Careful if you're touching that, you don't want to hurt yourself. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna take that little piece and you're gonna wiggle it into the end cap. And you wanna go down as far as you can. Usually for me, that's about 3 pushes. You wanna make sure you can see the color of your zipper tape through the little screw hole. So this nice smooth side goes along the top, and then the side with the little grooves goes towards the bottom. So you can see this is the top of my zipper. So like I said, you can use a little bit of glue to keep it in place if you'd like. Otherwise, you're just gonna smash that in place. And we're gonna take our screw onto the screwdriver. It helps if it's magnetized, but you do what you can. And you're just gonna insert it as straight as possible and screw it back in place. Until it's pretty flush with those grooves. It's fine. I'll find it later. All right. So now you'll be able to pull on your zipper end and it won't come out. It's pretty cool. So this is in the color rose gold from my website. You can find that at moremino.com under the handbag hardware section. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learning all about new hardware. When I first started making handbags, these were definitely items I would have had no idea I needed to purchase, but they really class up your bag. You'll be one classy lady. All right, bye guys.